I thought someone who didn't know how to meal prep said something. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I meal prep. So this is gonna be how I meal prep. I don't know how all them fitness gurus and all them other people do it. I don't know how they be doing it. And you know what? They be doing it so perfectly. We ain't perfect over here. We do what we gotta do and we hustle. So we're gonna do an easy meal prep. This meal prep is under $50 for your lunch and your dinner. This is something that I do consistently. Now I will say this, when I meal prep, I don't have all these different fancy dinners. I eat turkey burgers. If I meal prep turkey burgers, if I meal prepped turkey burgers for lunch, I'm eating turkey burgers for lunch for 7 days out the week. If I meal prepped protein spaghetti for dinner, I'm eating protein spaghetti 7 days out the week. Well, not 7 days, because of course there's always those days where you have a cheat meal or whatever, so then you don't eat your meal prep or whatever. But I'm fine doing that because I make something that I like delicious, make it deliciously or whatever, and I eat it. Now when I get in my bag and I have more of a bag, then yeah, we can meal prep different things and say Monday we'll have this and Tuesday we'll have this and whatever. But that's gonna be a longer process, and this is a simple process and an affordable process. So can't speak. Let's get into what we'll be preparing. So, we will be cooking turkey burgers. The turkey burgers will be for our lunch. The reason why I'm going with the butterball turkey burgers is because these are the ones that I like the best. They are 93% lean, 7% fat. The protein content for one is 22 grams of protein. Now, I monitor my protein intake. I always want to make sure I'm hitting a certain amount of protein intake. 22 grams of protein for just the turkey burger alone. That's a decent amount of protein for your entree. But for your whole lunch meal, I prefer to have more protein than that. Like for my lunch, however, we're not getting into specifics. I'm not getting into specifics on the nutrition facts of what I'm trying to go to, what I'm trying to hit, all that shit. If y'all want that, then that's another video. This, I'm just gonna be simply cooking a meal, prepping a meal, and showing y'all how I do it. Now let me tell y'all what we also eating for dinner. What we're eating for dinner is we're gonna be making some already diced, frozen, like I said, simple over here, chicken breast, and some shrimp for some more added protein in that. And we're gonna be making shrimp and chicken Alfredo with rice instead of noodles. Brown rice to be exact. Yes, we switched it up. I don't use noodles, I use brown rice. The reason why, just because I wanted brown rice. Anyways, let's go. You need meal prep containers. Duh, you're gonna need meal prep containers. Meal prep food storage containers, whatever. You can get this from Walmart. You can get these Rubbermaid containers I got from Target. Either one is cool. You wanna at least make sure you have around, say, 14, because look, 7 meals for lunch, 7 meals for dinner, whatever. And honestly, meal prep one is literally, I'm just cooking turkey burgers, that's all. The sides, that's up to you. I'm not cooking sides for this. So we'll do 2 burgers per meal prep. Buns, we don't do regular buns over here. I don't know what y'all be doing, but we don't do regular buns over here. We do sandwich thins. Now we're going with the sandwich thins because it's less carbs. This is a meal prep for me to like lose weight, shred fat. This isn't or a good, healthy, maintain weight meal prep. So we're gonna go with these. And that's it. That's all we're using for the burgers. Of course, you can customize the burgers to how you want it, whatever. Meal prep 2. This is gonna be a little more fancy. This is my dinner. I like to look forward for dinner and lunch. I'm usually hustling. I'm usually at work. I'm usually doing something. Lunch isn't something I'm really that fancy. All right. So now dinner, we have our chicken breast. We got this from Target. No, we got it from Walmart. You can find it in Target or Walmart. We have our roasted garlic Parmesan Alfredo sauce. We're gonna be using that, of course, for our chicken and shrimp and broccoli, whatever Alfredo dish. Just give me a good caption. Thank you. All right. And of course the brown rice to go with it. I'm choosing brown rice. You can do white rice. You can do noodles if you want to, whatever. I already went into what I got or whatever. Now we're just gonna get into cooking. Let's go. Now them things seasoned, baby. Now them things seasoned. Now we can go and cook it. Now the oven ready, baby. We're gonna go throw it in there, baby. And we're gonna let it cook for a minute, baby. Let's get on to the next thing. Now that we have the chicken burgers in there cooking, I want to go ahead and let's start the dinner meal prep. Because like I said, the lunch meal prep, that's easy as hell. All we did is just season it, bake it. When we take it out, we're going to throw it into containers and we're going to freeze it. But anyways, now let's move on to the more advanced, more complicated one, which isn't even that hard either. All right, so our brown rice is cooking in the rice cooker. That's that. We're heating the pan up. We got to get into warming up the chicken, getting that cooked, adding the shrimp, all that stuff. And then, you know, I'll show y'all what I do next. Alright, you guys, so the turkey burgers are done. So now we're just gonna put the turkey burgers in the meal prep containers. And we're gonna, of course, as we eat them, we'll be using sandwich tins, but you're not gonna put that in the meal prep containers and then freeze it, because if you do that, the bread is not gonna be the same. Well, it might be, because you can't freeze bread, but I just don't do it. Anyways, this is how we do it. I don't put the bread with the sandwich, I don't make the sandwiches. I'll just go ahead and put the turkey burgers separate and freeze them. Alright, you guys, I'm back. And we're still waiting on the rice, but I've decided that, hey, let's go ahead and do a taste test to see if the food even came out good. Because you know what? Y'all be trying me, and I don't want anybody trying me in the comments talking about something. You didn't even eat the food. Like, how are we supposed to know what's good? Like, how are we supposed to follow your meal prep thing? We didn't even see you eat it. Because how are we supposed to eat something and you didn't even eat it? Y'all ain't finna hit me with that. So, yeah, we finna do that. And because of too it, I wish it was hot, but it's not hot. And I know I can warm it up, but y'all, I don't feel like it. In fact, it's not even hot, baby. This is smashing. It's a pat. I mean, it's a A++. Ooh, and I can feel that cayenne pepper is not too much. It's a nice little kick. Season it with stuff I seasoned it with, and you'll be happy. All right, let's move on to the Alfredo. Grab me some chicken and some sauce. I'm gonna grab me a little bit of thing of shrimp. Let me taste that one more time, girl. Cause I don't think I tasted it. I don't think I tasted it. I don't think I really got anything. That is good. Follow the recipe. Follow it. Follow it. That was me tasting the Alfredo and the burger. Came out the freaking delicious. I'm gonna get back to y'all when the rice is finally done. And let me just give y'all a pro tip. Start the rice before you start anything else. If you're cooking it in a rice cooker. Rice, tends to take a minute unless you're using other types of rice like packs of rice or 1 minute rice, anything like that. But yeah, once the rice is done cooking, I'm going to prep the meals out and tell y'all about how I do it, and then we done. We done. Also, sidetrack, are y'all subscribed? Are y'all liking the videos? And sidetrack again, it is Christmas Eve and it is now Christmas. Merry Christmas. I hope y'all have a great Christmas. I hope y'all had a great Christmas Eve. I hope y'all had a great week. Sending positivity and love to all of y'all. Like I said, I'll be back when we have the rest of the dinner done. I mean, yeah. Bye. Alright guys, we're done cooking. We have the the chicken, shrimp, and broccoli Alfredo with the rice. As you can see, it looks delicioso. And then we have the turkey burgers. I did add the mozzarella cheese on it. I forgot to do that earlier. That way when we warm it up, the cheese melts onto the burger. Basically from here, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna freeze your meals. You're gonna, except for 2 of each. So your first 2 meals, you keep out. So say I'm gonna take 2 meals of this. I'm gonna take 2 meals of this. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. And then when I eat this meal, I'm gonna take the frozen version. I'm gonna replenish it back into the fridge. And then I'm gonna have my second meal that I had taken out with, today. And I'm gonna eat that one the next day. And by the time it's the 3rd day, the one that I had in the deep freezer or the freezer, regular freezer, is gonna be thawed out. And you just keep doing that process until you ate all your meal preps and it's time for you to meal prep again. I hope that makes sense. Thank you guys for meal prepping with me on basically Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you guys do well. I hope you guys are able to understand this video, and I hope you guys are able to learn a little bit more, or you learned something from this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I will have the nutrition facts posted right here. The nutrition facts of this, the nutrition facts of the turkey burger, and then the nutrition facts of the chicken, shrimp, and broccoli. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in, and you already know, doses, doses, doses.